Greetings to everyone. Today we will start the next chapter of chemistry, that is hydrogen. Hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table and this is the lightest element in the periodic table. It exists as a diatomic molecule in the form of H2 and this molecule is known as the dihydrogen. The atomic form of hydrogen exists only at high temperature and it can be prepared by treating the iron with dilute sulfuric acid. Hydrogen has unique position in the periodic table as it has some similar properties with the alkali metals and it also have some similar properties that of the halogens and some are different from alkali metals as well as halogens. The electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. It has one electron in its valence shell and it has one proton in its nucleus. It does not has any neutron in its nucleus. So it has the properties that resemble with the alkali metals as well as halogens due to its one valence electron. As we know that in first shell there is capacity of 2 electrons. If hydrogen loses one electron, then its properties are resembling with alkali metals. When it gains extra electron, then its properties resembles with halogens. Hydrogen atom consists with one proton in the center of the atom, that is nucleus, and it is having one electron which is revolving in first shell. Now we are discussing the properties of hydrogen that are resembling with alkali metals and with halogens. Hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table and the properties that resemble with alkali metals are its electronic configuration. Like alkali metals, hydrogen has one valence electron. As alkali metals are electropositive in nature, therefore hydrogen can also show its electropositive character by losing one electron. By losing one electron, it acquires one unit positive charge as alkali metals acquire one unit positive charge by losing one electron. Next property is its valency or its oxidation state. In compounds of hydrogen, hydrogen shows +1 oxidation state, just like alkali metals shows +1 oxidation state in their compounds such as hydrochloric acid, water, etc. Hydrogen has capacity to combine with highly electronegative elements such as fluorine, chlorine, oxygen and sulfur. Just like all the alkali metals have tendency to combine with highly electronegative elements, just like hydrogen sulfide, hydrochloric acid, water, etc. The next property that resemble with alkali metals is the liberation of hydrogen gas is always taking place at cathode in electrolysis process, just like alkali metals, due to which it acquires a unique position in the periodic table. The properties that resemble with halogens are: first one is the electronic configuration. Just like halogen, hydrogen have deficiency of one electron to complete its valence configuration. Just like halogens, it shows electronegative character. By accepting one electron, it forms hydride ions, just like fluoride and chloride form. Therefore, it shows electronegative character. Just like halogens, it also have high ionization energy. We can't remove its valence electron easily, and it exists in diatomic form, just like all the halogen exist in diatomic form. Therefore, it has unique position due to its properties.